Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to clear cache in Viber app. And now let's dive right in. Now to clear cache in Viber app, first open up your Viber app itself on your phone. And after opening the Viber app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icon. Tap on more button with the three dotted icon and you'll land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us just above My Notes. Tap on settings. And over here again you will be required to tap on the storage option available for us just below the media. So tap on storage, and over here you can see there is the clear cache files option available for us, but in my case, guys, there is no cache files because I had cleared it recently. Now in order to clear cache on your Viber app, tap on the clear cache button over here where it says the clear cache files, and then your cache memory on your Viber will be cleared. And there, guys, this is how to clear cache in Viber app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.